You know that feeling when you're craving amazing Japanese yakisoba, but you don't want to spend $40 or wait an hour to order? I've got the solution. Today I'm showing you how to turn this Hakubaku yakisoba kit from Amazon into a quality yakisoba in under 15 minutes. Trust me, you've got to believe how good this tastes. And so, let's hit the kitchen. Hi my eaters, Judine here from JustAte.com and welcome back to the channel. First up, as I fire up my wok, I'm using fresh pressed extra virgin olive oil as I open up Hakubaku Yakisoba. And I'm putting in some julienne, onion, cabbage, we got more carrots, and then we have green onion. And here's an inside scoop. I'm using this new digital camera that I've gotten from Amazon.com. Let me know in the comments down below what you think of the quality. Remember, this recipe was captured with this white camera that I'm unboxing right here. Let me know what you think of the capture of this recipe when it comes to video quality. It's actually uploaded in 4K. And yeah, so I will leave a link in the description down below of the camera, as well as the Hakubaku Yakisoba noodles. Okay. More.
Remember they shrink and shrivel.
What is it telling me?
Brisket.
Thinly sliced brisket.
I think that's okay. Yeah, that's good.
Okay. Okay. I'm forgetting that I need some for Instagram.
Real quick, are you enjoying this video? If so, hit the subscribe button and the bell to be notified about all our future videos. Also, hit the like button and comment 8 down below to share with your friends and family.
And remember, friends, expand your mind, explore your palate, and let's keep chasing the flavor, my haters. See you in the next video. See you in the next video.